Ever heard the phrase, "it takes money to make money"? Well, what if we told you that's not always the truth? Today, we're diving deep into the world of side hustles and debunking myths that have held many back. We'll embark on a journey through a step-by-step guide, turning that passion or skill of yours into a revenue-generating machine. And trust me, by the end, you'll see why mastering this could be a game changer for your financial future. Misconceptions about side hustles. Starting a side hustle can seem daunting, especially with the misconceptions floating around. Many believe dropshipping and affiliate marketing are the only real side hustle avenues. While these options have gained prominence due to their scalability and online nature, there's a whole world of side hustles outside these realms. From offering specialized services to producing handmade products, the possibilities are limitless. However, it's essential to be aware that side hustles are competitive. With the rise of the gig economy and remote work, there's an increasing number of individuals diving into side businesses. This competition shouldn't deter you, but it's essential to be prepared. Most side hustles require some investment, be it time, money, or both. Whether you're investing in a course to hone your skills or spending on initial materials, the goal is to ensure that these investments offer good returns. Furthermore, achieving success in your side hustle demands hard work and dedication. It isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. You'll likely face challenges and even failures along the way. However, persistence is key. Each setback provides a learning experience, making you feel better equipped for future challenges. Step 1. Develop valuable skills. Every successful side hustle rests on foundational skill. It's essential to acquire a skill that has a wide market appeal. For instance, digital marketing, graphic designing, or even a knack for crafts can be the key to a thriving side hustle. These skills are always in demand and can cater to a broad audience. You don't need to be a world expert in your chosen skill. Achieving a good enough level of expertise can be sufficient to start. As you gain experience, you can continue to hone and refine your abilities. While you might feel the pressure to be the best right off the bat, remember that every expert started as a beginner at some point. Traditional education can be a boon, but it's not a necessity for every side hustle. While a formal degree might give you a competitive edge in certain fields, many skills can be self-taught. With a myriad of online courses, tutorials, and resources available, anyone with dedication can learn almost anything. Moreover, there is immense value in learning while earning. By starting your side hustle early, even when you're still mastering a skill, you gain real-world experience. This on-the-job learning can often prove more valuable than theoretical knowledge. Step 2. Offer a standout service. Being generic in the side hustle world can be the death knell for your venture. If your services are seen as a commodity, you'll struggle to carve out a distinct space in the market. Therefore, it's pivotal to avoid being lost in the crowd and to differentiate your offerings. Positioning yourself as an expert in a niche can set you apart. Instead of being a generalist, dive deep into a specific domain. For example, instead of being just another digital marketer, you could specialize in Instagram marketing for vegan brands. Such specialization allows you to target a focused audience and become their go-to expert. Always remember, the end goal is to provide value that translates into a financial incentive for your clients. If your services can help a business earn an extra $1,000 monthly, they won't hesitate to pay you $200 for it. Showcase how your offerings can bolster their bottom line. Skill stacking can also amplify your services. Combining 2 or more complementary skills can allow you to offer unique packages. For instance, combining web design with SEO knowledge can make you a one-stop solution for businesses looking to establish an online presence. Step 3. Productize your service. One of the pivotal steps to scale your side hustle is turning your service into a product-like offering. By productizing, you craft a standardized service that can be sold to multiple clients without the need for customization every time. This approach enables you to provide off-the-shelf solutions to your clients. For instance, instead of offering bespoke website designs, you could offer templated designs tailored to specific industries. This not only streamlines your workflow, but also sets clear expectations for your clients. Examples of productized services are abundant. Online courses, design packages, SEO audit templates, and content creation bundles are just a few instances. These offerings are packaged with a fixed scope and price, making it easier for clients to understand and purchase. Such a model not only boosts efficiency, but also aids in predictable revenue. Since you have a clear understanding of the deliverables and the time required, it's easier to manage workload and anticipate monthly earnings. Step 4. Recycle your money. Your side hustle's earnings shouldn't just be pocketed. While it's tempting to spend the extra cash, a successful side hustle requires reinvesting. Pouring money back into your venture can supercharge its growth. This could mean investing in advertising, upgrading equipment, or buying software to streamline operations. However, this doesn't mean neglecting personal wealth building. A balance must be struck between reinvesting for growth and setting aside money for personal goals. A 50-30-20 rule, where 50% is reinvested, 30% saved, and 20% spent, would be a good starting point, but find what works best for you. Additionally, consider branching out to long-term investments like the stock market or real estate. Not only do these provide potential growth, but they also diversify your financial portfolio, ensuring not all your financial eggs are in the side hustle basket. Step 5. Automate everything. To elevate your side hustle from just a profitable job to a sustainable, scalable venture, automation is crucial. The goal is to build a system where the business can run, if not entirely on its own, with minimal intervention from you. Begin by identifying repetitive tasks in your workflow. These are prime candidates for automation. Tools like Zapier, Asana, or Trello can help automate and manage tasks, freeing up your time. With the mundane tasks taken care of, you can focus on strategic decisions and growth. As your side hustle grows, consider expanding your team. Delegating tasks to others can free up your bandwidth, allowing you to focus on the big picture. Hiring a virtual assistant, a content creator, or even a customer service representative can be the next step in scaling your venture. Ultimately, your side hustle should evolve into an automated machine. While it might require periodic checks and tweaks, it shouldn't be a venture that consumes every waking moment. Automation ensures sustainability, allowing you to employ the fruits of your labor while also giving you the leeway to explore other passions or even new side hustles. Step 6. Build and nurture a community. Having a product or service is one thing, but having a loyal community around your brand is what ensures longevity and success in the long run. A dedicated community can provide feedback, referrals, and even serve as brand ambassadors without any extra marketing costs. To start building a community, focus on engaging platforms where your target audience hangs out. This could be on social media sites like Facebook or Instagram, or more niche platforms like forums or Discord channels. Begin by offering value, whether that's in the form of free advice, tips, or just general engagement without expecting sales in return. Webinars, live Q&A sessions, and community events can serve as fantastic platforms for deeper engagement. These avenues allow you to showcase not just your product or service, but also your expertise and your genuine interest in helping your community. It's also essential to recognize and reward your community's most active and loyal members. This doesn't necessarily mean monetary rewards. Exclusive content, early access to new products, or even simple public recognition can go a long way in fostering loyalty. Always keep your community in the loop. Transparency about business decisions, updates, and changes not only keeps them informed, but also makes them feel like they're part of your brand's journey. A community that feels included is more likely to stay loyal and advocate for your brand. Step 7. Continuously adapt and innovate. The world of side hustles is dynamic. What works today might not necessarily be the trend tomorrow. Therefore, to ensure the longevity of your side hustle, you need to be adaptable and open to innovation. Begin by regularly analyzing your business metrics. Understand where your traffic is coming from, which products or services are most popular, and where potential bottlenecks lie. By understanding these metrics, you're better equipped to make informed decisions and pivot when necessary. Feedback is a gold mine. While positive feedback can boost morale, constructive criticism is what truly helps a business grow. Encourage your clients and community to provide feedback and, more importantly, be open to acting on it. Tweaks based on customer feedback can transform a good product into a great one. To stay ahead of the curve, keep an eye on industry trends. This doesn't mean jumping onto every new trend, but being aware allows you to adapt your offerings or marketing strategies to resonate better with evolving customer preferences. Experimentation should be a constant in your side hustle journey. Whether it's trying out a new marketing strategy, launching a test product, or experimenting with pricing, these small tests can offer insights into potential avenues for growth or optimization. Never let complacency set in. The feeling of, "this is how we've always done it," can be detrimental. The willingness to evolve, learn, and grow is what will set your side hustle apart from the rest and ensure its success in the long run. And that's a wrap. Dive into your side hustle dreams, and remember, the world awaits your unique touch.